This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Hyundai accent ceiling. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting your car's negative battery terminal. Next, you'll need to remove all the grab handles and sun visors. These are usually held in with screws hidden under small covers. After that, carefully detach the dome light and any other overhead console components. Take your time with each step to avoid damaging any plastic clips or wiring. Now, let's move on to the pillar trims. Start by gently pulling back the door weather stripping around the entire door frame. This will expose the edges of the A, B, and C pillar trim pieces. Carefully unclip these trims, working from top to bottom. They often have metal clips or plastic tabs, so use a trim removal tool if possible. Remember to store all removed parts and fasteners in a safe place to prevent loss or damage. With the pillar trims out of the way, you're almost there. Carefully check for any remaining electrical connectors, especially for airbags or other sensors, and disconnect them. Make sure all clips, fasteners, and adhesive points are completely released from the roof. Now, with the help of a friend if possible, slowly and gently maneuver the entire headliner board out through one of the door openings. Be careful not to bend or crease it. Reinstallation is essentially the reverse of removal. Carefully guide the headliner back into place, ensuring all electrical connections are reattached and all trim pieces clip securely. Double-check that everything is snug and properly aligned before reconnecting your battery. Taking your time during reassembly will ensure a professional finish. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab some little trees black ice. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.